Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. So it's day 5 of my 2 weeks holiday from my workplace. I mean the Ramadan holiday. So today is day 5, and sincerely speaking, it feels like each day is just 5 hours. Like the way the time runs fast, the day ends so fast. Maybe it's in my head, I don't know. But anyways, it's day 5, and today I woke up and feel like I want to cook. I really want to cook. Not that I feel like eating those food, but I just feel like cooking. Can you guys imagine? How can someone just wake up and feel like cooking? Not because you want to eat, but because you want to cook. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's my hobby. Like that's one thing I can do every day from morning to night, standing without feeling tired at all. Like every day I can just cook and not get tired. So I feel like cooking. I'm going to make about 6 different soup, Nigerian African soup, and I'm just going to make them and keep in the fridge. Sometimes I just make food and give it out just because I feel like cooking. I'm going to make the food and then give it out. So today I'm going to make 6 African food, not African, let's be specific here. It's 6 African soup. I said African again. 6 Nigerian soup. So I'm going to make 6 Nigerian soup and just stock my fridge. That's not all the food I want to make, but just for today. I have the list of food I want to cook here. I want to cook ogbono soup, egusi soup, seafood okra, ofada sauce, Titus, buka Titus. Is it Titus or mackerel? Mackerel soup, and then smoked mackerel sauce. Let me not make mistakes. Smoked mackerel sauce. So I'm going to make those 6. So right now I'll be going to the wet market and African store to get the foodstuff I need. I mean the items I need to prepare the soup. Some of these items I cannot find it in the market because it's African specific. Is it? They have turkey here also, but it's different. So I'm going to order turkey from those people selling African food stuff here, and then I actually plan to take train. But it seems that train is going to be a bad idea. Like number one, the aircon in the train is usually cold, like extremely cold for me, so I don't want to go through that stress. And then train takes time. If I'm going to take train, then I should be willing to spare about 2 hours. So that 2 hours is just going to be a waste when I can just take taxi and then get there in 30 minutes. I think I'm talking too much, so I'm just going to leave the house now. It's already 4:40 p.m. and the markets they close around 5:30. So let me get there fast so I can still get something nice to buy there. Guys, this is what their white market looks like. I hate coming to this place. Ew. You can get chicken, beef, anything you want to buy here, anything that has to do with animals. This is where you can get them. So I'm going now to go and buy pomo shaki. Shaki, 1 kilo. I want what's that? Liver. Guys, this wet market is nonsense. This is one of the reasons why I don't like coming here. Like the market everywhere, rat is just playing around. Like it's just normal thing for rats to move around. Anyways, I've been able to buy all the things I need, but there's one thing I didn't get, which is chicken. So I'm going to go to the supermarket to check the strong chicken. They usually sell soft chicken. it's hard to find the strong one. So that's the one I'm going to get at the supermarket. And on my way back to the car, I saw this. If you are in Nigeria, you will know what this means. This is plantain chips, though very expensive, but I'm super hungry, so I'm going to eat this now. And the traffic is crazy. I don't know why I've forgotten. People are fasting and they are all in a hurry to go home. Guys, I just got back from the market, and the things I bought is quite much. Like, if I'm going to finish all this food by myself, it's going to take me around 4 months to finish the food. So that means when I finish cooking this food, I have to give it out. I don't know why, but I just feel like cooking different kind of food. Then I will give some of them out. And let me just show you guys what the things I bought. So these are the things I bought. I bought chili. Like, this is really much. I bought tomatoes. I bought pepper. This one is not spicy. Then I bought Malaysia palm oil. I don't know the difference between Malaysian palm oil and Nigerian palm oil, but I mean, I've used it and I don't see any difference in the taste or whatsoever. Or maybe I'm not so sensitive regarding the taste. Anyways, I bought some smoked fish, which I'm going to use for my vegetable and egusi. Then I bought uziza leaf to cook egusi. I bought shaki. This one is cow skin. I bought okra. I bought shrimps. Then I bought beef. Actually, all these food stuff are really cheap here compared to buying them in Nigeria. I bought cow skin. Then I bought 2 chicken. Like, chicken is so cheap here, really cheap. So I also bought mackerel fish. I bought 4 of this. So I'm going to put 2 of this mackerel fish in the oven to roast it. Is it roast or grill? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use that for vegetable. Then I also bought vegetables and some other things. I think it's inside the car. So guys, I'm already preparing all the ingredients I'll be using for the food. This is the dried fish. I already added water to get it soft. Then the Titus mackerel, so which I've washed. And in here I have the uziza leaf, the dried uziza leaf. So I added hot water to get it soft. And I have the list of all the food I'll be cooking with the ingredients I'll be using for each food. The chicken is boiling, and the liver is also cooking here. Then I have the Titus fish in the microwave. Is it microwave? In the oven. So I'm grilling that right now. Guys, I just finished making 4 kind of dish and I'm totally exhausted. So I'm just going to show you guys what I've cooked. And I'm going to resume tomorrow. I thought I would be able to do all the cooking this night, but it seems it's not gonna be possible. It's already 4 a.m. and tomorrow is Sunday and I'll be going to church, so I'm just going to stop the cooking here. So let me show you guys what I've made. So I made fish sauce, okra soup. The okra has shrimps, chicken and some other things. Then I also made Titus stew. That's 3 plates. And then ofada sauce. Like, this is the highlight for me this night. This ofada sauce, I added beef, liver, crayfish, pomo, and smoked Titus fish. So I'm just going to keep all this in the freezer now, and tomorrow I'm going to resume back to my cooking. Hello guys, so I'm just coming back from church and I was invited to a birthday dinner, a 1-year-old birthday dinner. So I decided to branch DIY to get gift. Like, this is the first time I would be invited to a dinner party, so it doesn't make sense to go there without getting gift. I decided to branch DIY and this is what I got. Because the boy's father is a keyboardist, so I decided to buy a keyboard. So and then I bought the gift bag. So this is where I'm going to put the gift. Guys, I'm going home now, exhausted. I need to branch Starbucks to get my favorite Starbucks drink. Guys, so I'm supposed to be preparing for birthday party, but someone invited me for Ariraya, this fitr celebration. So I'm going to get Ariraya meat. And guys, see my sister. Hello. See Raya meat. Hey. Oh, shall we render to Jehovah, for he has done so very much for me. That's my sweet girl. Good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Hello guys, so I just want to end this vlog. Yesterday where I went before the party, I got Ramadan meat. That is with my sister because I couldn't wait I couldn't take the meat to the party, so I had to tell my sister to take it home for me and keep in the freezer. So from there I went to the party. The child's party was good, just that in abroad, when you say it's a child's birthday, you see adults, more of adults there. Anyways, the party was nice, interesting, and funny thing happened. I was so in a hurry to leave the party because I'm not used to going for parties. So usually when I go for parties, after 1 hour, 2 hours, I just want to leave there. So anyways, I was so in a hurry to leave yesterday and I forgot my bag. You know, before I left the party, everybody there were telling me, tomorrow is public holiday. Why are you so in a hurry to leave? Stay for some time. I said, no, I want to go home. And then I got home. When I got home, I wanted to open the door and realized I forgot my bag. How can someone go to the party and forget bag? Like, who does that? So anyways, I forgot my bag and I had to go back again. So that is another drive of like 1 hour 30 minutes to and fro. I had to go back to get my bag and my house key, and that was it. So guys, let me just end this vlog. I think it's getting too long. Anyways, if you're new on my channel, you're welcome. Kindly click on the subscribe button, and you may also click on the notification bell if you want to get notified anytime I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching and liking my videos. And we are almost at 10,000 views. I think right now it's 9,001, which is really good. So let's keep the count going and tell your friends, family to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.